Electrical engineer, and this is electrical engineer also, and we have an issue here in air conditioning. They are telling that the problem is in the AC. Now because we check in the voltage, I will put in the test probe. See, now there is 226 volts. So there is a power, right? So we cannot identify where is the issue, either the AC or the electrical. So the electrical engineer told me there is a problem with the air conditioning. So as a aircon technician, I will do my best to rectify the issue. So anyhow, there is a 220 volts in the supply from here because I removed the supply from the PCB. So once I connect here, I will connect. Now there is a voltage drop, so it becomes 0 volts from here, and the breaker also, it will not trip up. So I just check again the voltage. Now my test probe is from the line and to the neutral. Yeah, so now it become 57, so voltage drop. So they are telling the issue is in the air conditioning. So what I did is, when I remove here again, and there is again 220 volts, so the supply, there is a supply again. So but the thing is, it cannot on the AC. So as I did, I have a through wire through from the extension. So I take the supply from there and directly I will connect to the PCB. So we'll see if there is an issue with the AC or the electrical. So I will connect it. Now I break. So AC is working. I switch on. So now it's okay. It's working. The motor it's turning. So AC is working with another supply. So now we know and we identify where is the issue. The issue is here. There is some issue with the, I think, low ampere or low current. It cannot turn on the AC. When you when you connect the PCB, automatically will voltage drop. So I told to the two engineers that they need to rectify this issue from their side, not for the AC side. So my job now is okay. So AC is working. I connect it from there. So there is an issue with this supply. They need to rectify this, either in the breaker or in the panel, or if there is something issue with grounding. Thank you.